Good morning, dear students. Today we discussed we may say the three bases of accounting. Accounting means that is the recording of the transactions can be done by two bases, or we may say three bases. Basically there are two bases. One basis is cash basis of accounting and another basis is accrual basis of accounting, because you know the purpose of accounting is to find out the profits or the losses. So to find out the profit and the losses, we have to perform the accounting work, and that accounting work is also or can be done by two bases. So first of all we will see what is cash basis of accounting. Cash basis of accounting is simple to understand, that only the cash transactions shall be recorded in the cash basis of accounting. The receipts, that means the cash receipts and the cash payments shall only be recorded. If there are some expenses which are not paid, or if there are some revenues which are not received actually, they will not be recorded under the cash basis of accounting. So this cash basis of accounting is recording only the cash transactions, not credit transaction. One biggest drawback is this one: the profits known from this basis are not exact, are not true. And this basis actually is not suitable for the business organization. This basis is adopted by the professionals like lawyers, doctors, chartered accountants, architects. Another basis of accounting is accrual basis of accounting. Accrual basis of accounting says that all the transactions which are related with the current year must be recorded, whether expenses are paid or not, incomes are received or not. So that is the accrual basis of accounting. So accrual basis of accounting actually is recording cash transactions as well as credit transactions, and those transactions which are related with the current year, they are going to reflect in the form of profits. So the current year expenses are matched with the current year revenues, and we find out the profit in accrual basis of accounting. And the profits which are known from accrual basis of accounting are known as exact profits or losses, or true profits or losses. This accrual basis of accounting is recognized by Companies Act 2013, and all the business organizations use this basis of accounting. Now there is another basis also, the combined basis, that is known as a hybrid basis. That is the combination, or that is the collection mixture of cash basis and credit basis. Sometimes what happens, the cash transactions are recorded as well as credit transactions are also recorded, but sometimes some credit transactions are not recorded, which may not impact the current year's position. So that basis is known as a hybrid basis of accounting, but that is not much useful. Only useful is cash basis and accrual basis of accounting.